Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2020 Volkswagen Jetta SEL. This features the 1.4 turbo engine. It's pure white on the exterior with dark beige leatherette interior. On the front end, there's a look at the LED running lights, also LED headlights. There are no fog lights on the car. There's a couple minor changes between the 19 and the 20 on the SEL. One of which is these wheels here. These wheels used to only come on, for the 2019 model anyway, only came on the SEL Premium. The SEL got the same wheels as the SE did. Now, the SEL gets those wheels, the same wheels that the SEL Premium does. LED taillights. Taillights are now amber in color instead of, they're now red in color instead of the amber color for the 2019. But you keep the panoramic sunroof. You keep the SEL badge on the door here. Also keyless entry on 2 doors. This door here. Let's take a look inside. Now this is a manual seat setup. All of the Jettas are manual seats until you get to the SEL. The SEL Premium. This is a leatherette seat. And it's two-tone, and I really dig the two-tone setup here, the way they did it. Even the button for the adjustable headrest is in black. The carpet and the side of the seats are in black. As you climb inside here, it's a black and dark beige two-tone. The inset is two-tone, dark beige. And then there's like an aluminum finish on the door that goes into the dash and across into the dash on this side and over to the door. Now, they did also make a little tweak. I'll go over this real quick. Down here, this used to be, and they did this mid-year on the 2020s. They changed this. So, usually your gas door is a push to eject. On this one, there's actually a fuel filler door. You actually lift up on this guy, and I'm not sure where this shakes out trim level-wise, if they did this on all of them, or if they're doing it on certain ones. But now there's a fuel filler door inside the car, right next to the remote trunk release right there. So this is now bigger. This is a new setup. Also, you have your power door locks. You still have heated mirrors and power mirrors, one touch up, one touch down on the windows, and a window lock right here. But that thing right there, that's a big deal. All right, automatic headlights right there. Still no coin box over on this side, but you have Volkswagen's digital cockpit. With the ambient color adjustments, you can do 10 color ambient display here, so you can change it to any color you want. Right now it's set to orange, but you can change that. This comes with that flat bottom leather wrap steering wheel with the piano black finish on the spokes. You do have your safety systems here. You have lane assist, and then here's what's new as well. You can actually change between regular cruise control and adaptive cruise control on a Jetta. How cool is that? So if you don't like adaptive cruise control, you can change it to regular cruise control, and then you just have that. Pretty cool that it does that. I personally love the ACC, so I will have it on adaptive cruise control all the time. Also, volume controls right here, and then song skip and preset skips right here. This is a telescoping wheel, so I can pull out, push in, raise it, lower it, lock it in wherever I need it, and then I'm ready to go. With the digital cockpit here, the only thing that you're not getting here is you do not get navigation on the Jetta. So you can change between the dial screen, widescreen, and the crop screen here, and you can also change what's displayed here. So I can do my miles to empty, I can do a speedometer. Most people go with the speedometer, I'll leave that there. And then also you can change to the radio station, telephone setup here, what have you, or a compass. Over here you have that MIB2 radio, which is AM, FM, and satellite. This is Beats audio, by the way. There's the Beats logo right there, or icon right there. So this does have a pretty awesome backup camera. It does remain static. The little lines here, you don't have trajectory steering, but you do have the lines that show you where you're going straight back, and then the red line. You do also have, while we're talking about that backup camera, you do have rear traffic alert as well. You do also have something called App Connect. App Connect allows you to do Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or MirrorLink using that USB port right there. You also have wireless charging right here. Dual zone climate zone right here. Now this car does have the cold weather package, which means it adds a remote start. And then also it has heated steering wheel and heated seats as well, and heated washer nozzles. So this one's really loaded up. There's again that wireless charging port right there, or that bay right there. You just set your phone there, it'll charge in the case. You have an electronic parking brake right here, and then you have your auto start stop kill switch right here, and then your modes, driving modes here. So you got eco, normal, sport, and custom that you can change it to. You can push the button to change it, or you can touch the screen if you're a big fan of fingerprints. So you can change whatever's there, and then custom allows you to tweak any of these guys here, so you can change how things handle, drive, etc. Also, you do have a 12-volt charger right here, or charger port, I should say. And then here's a look at your cup holder, and then a storage spot for a phone maybe there. And then you also have this armrest with another USB port right there. Lots of storage you can get in here. Well, not a lot, but a pretty good amount. And then it does have a little kickstand here, right there. You push down on that, and then that allows this to be raised armrest instead of flat. But look at the two-tone feel in the car. Gives it a little bit of elegance, gives it a little class, I think. A little bit more flair. Now in the glove box here, there is a CD player and an SD card reader right there. And then you have a pretty good amount of room for storage right there for your manuals and such. The dash is still flat, kind of a semi-soft flat dash there, and it's a little pliable plastic here, but you do have this set up right here as well. Up here you have the edgeless auto dimming home link mirror with the compass right here, 3-door garage door memory right there, and then you do have a vanity mirror with a light above it right here and also right here. Now standard on every Jetta above the S is this giant panoramic sunroof. About 30% larger than the previous generation of sunroof. It's really nice. And there's another plane flying overhead. Fly in, drive out. Remember that? Fly in, drive out. Pop-up windscreen right here. Looks like a Southwest flight. We're right on the flight path. We're 10 minutes from the airport. I'll pick you up. As we go around the dash here, let's take a look at the back seat real quick. This particular one comes in at $26,975. The extras are going to be the auto dimming rear view mirror and monster mats. Everything else is standard on this car. Here's a look at that thin bezel, super thin for the sunroof, and there are no drains here. It just seals out the water and it runs off the way it's designed. There's a look through from the top. Nice thin bezel there. Let's take a look at the back seat. Here's a look at that two-tone again. On the inside of the door, there's also two-tone, the beige right here, a speaker right here. And as we climb in, part of that cold weather package also gives you heated rear seats. So you have those two guys right there for your rear seats. Now the vents are actually underneath the seats on the floor. There are no vents right here in the center armrest. So that may be a deal killer for some of you, but the Passat will have vents in that rear center console. There's a look at the headrests, the adjustable headrest, the adjustable seat belt clips right there, place for a coat hanger there for some dry cleaning. And as you look through from the back to the front, there's a look at your instrument cluster right there, and the steering wheel setup, and then the radio right here, right back to the center console, and back here again. These seats again are leatherette. Your latch seat hookups are right here, and also right here. Armrest with a cup holder right here in the middle for you. This is an adjustable headrest for the middle seat. The two outside seats are going to be fixed, and they're dark beige as well. And it looks like the little shelf back there in the window, the rear windshield, is also black. Black on the sides over here as well. So the dark beige is only in places where it's going to be minimally scuffed up or marked up or things of that nature. There's a look up at that giant sunroof again. Let's take a look at the back trunk. There's a look at your wheel. Looks like flights are picking up quite a bit again. There's another plane right there landing, so we can pick you up definitely. Jetta nameplate on the back. Here's a look through to the trunk. Nice amount of space right there. Monster mats right here, cargo covers right here as well. And then underneath, quick release subwoofer right there. That's that Beats Audio subwoofer. You get that in the SEL and SEL Premium. Your jack apparatus is all right here. And as we close that up, again, this is that pure white color. Chrome accent at the base of the bumper there. The tailpipes come out underneath the bumper. Or the tailpipe, I should say. This car comes with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. And if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's here in St. Louis, we're going to give you a 10-year, 200,000-mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty as well. If you're interested in this car or any other car, please give me a call at 636-290-4257. I'm also on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, also Twitter, at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy.